Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to use Google Calendar for scheduling. So we're going to open the calendar app and then here we can see the month view. All we need to do is to look at the bottom right corner where we have the plus icon and we're going to tap on it, and here you can schedule a task or an event. So we could decide to use the task option and then you could add the title. So the title here is Meeting with Z. Assume that's the name of a person, and then you can add the details of this meeting. And here in the details of the meeting, you can simply say anything you wanted that will remind you about the details of the meeting. I have just discussed projections, and here we have all day. This means that it will display in your notifications constantly. Now, if you want to set an alarm for it, you can simply go and toggle this off, and then you have the date and time to adjust to your preference. So we're going to choose the date. Say we're going to put it 2 days ahead, and then we're going to press OK. And then we're also going to set the time from 10:30 to 2:30, and we can say OK. Now what this means is when it gets to 2:30, it's going to give you an alarm or a notification that you have a meeting with Z. So before we click save, we have the option here to repeat. If you have this meeting reoccurring every day, every week on a particular day, or every month on that particular day and time, you have the option to choose from here. And of course, you have the option to customize if you don't find any of your options or preferences here. And now that we're done with this, we could simply click on save at the top right corner of your screen. And there you can see that you have this meeting. So on the 5th, you have a meeting. You could tap on it just to have a broader view. And you could see the time, remember it's 2:30, and you can see between 1400 hours and 1500 hours, you have the meeting with Z. Again, you could decide to tap on it to see more details, and then you can see the discussing of projections as the details to this meeting with Z. At the bottom right corner, you have the option to mark as completed. And then at the top right, you have the pen key, and then at the top right, you have the pencil icon. This pencil icon is to show if you want to edit it. So if you want to edit something here, you're simply going to tap on it. And then still here, we have these 3 dots, and if we tap on it, we have the option to delete it or view in tasks. And then when we go back, we can see it again, just as we saw it before. And then if you want to go back to the monthly view, you can simply tap on the 3 dashes by the top left corner, and here you get to choose which view you would like. So we're going to set on month, and then we're back to where we started. However, now we have a meeting scheduled. So if you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.